Keep watching to see how to make this 3-flower simple greeting card. Shown here are all of the supplies that you'll need to make this card. It's actually really quick and easy and would be super customizable. All you would really need to do is just change the color of glitter paper that you're using. The first step is to take your pencil and draw out the 3 flowers on your base paper or card. Once you have that complete, the first step is to take your pen, whatever color you chose to use for the stems of the flower, and simply trace over that part of the design which you'd previously drawn in pencil. Here I'm using a blue Faber-Castell pen, and the exact pen and color are linked in the description box below. Once you have that complete, the next step is to make the tops of the flowers. So I simply took my 3 different shades of glitter paper, and with my pencil I drew kind of a half circle or the flower shape on the back of each of them. And then I just switched over and took my small little pair of nail scissors and just cut out each of those shapes. So I had my 3 flowers on the glitter paper complete. Once I had my flowers cut out, I just placed them on the card where I thought I would like them to be. This is a great opportunity to arrange them. Of course, if you have 3 different colors, you can obviously put them in different orders and get them in the order that you like before you decide to glue them on. Then once I had them where I wanted, I just took some fast drying glue and glued all of these 3 flower tops on. And once the glue is dry, this simple 3-flower greeting card is complete. Thanks so much for watching.